I'm so high. Yay! I wake up in the morning feeling high. Whoa, yeah. I wake up in the morning, I'm so high, and people are looking at me now. See? Yes, I know. Weird shit. Woo! Never thought it clear, but seriously. Woo! Here we go. I'm being retarded in a truck. My truck. God, I am so drunk. My head is going numb. I'm being fucking high. I'm so high. I have to take a piss. Fuck. Woo. Weather never change. Woo. And things never be the same. Woo. That's how we do it. Woo. Fuck yeah. Fuck them titties. Well, what the fuck am I saying? That shit's weird. And fuck, there's my dad. Never mind. Bye.